Welcome to a webinar about understanding BC's Personal Information Protection Act, or PIPA for short. If you're a physician or MOA working in a private practice, this webinar is for you. Any number of things might lead to a complaint, and individuals have a right to challenge an organization about how their personal information has been handled. It can be about anything someone perceives as being wrong: mishandling of their personal information, you ask for more information than they think you should need for the purpose, or you didn't have consent for the collection, you used their information for unauthorized purposes, you disclosed it without their permission, or permitted their records to be snooped by an employee not requiring access to it to do their job, you disposed of it prematurely, you refused them access to their own information to protect their safety, physical or mental health, or you refused to correct information that you weren't allowed to, such as a professional or expert opinion. The complaint could be received from a patient or employee verbally, by email, in writing, or come from the Office of the Information and Privacy Commissioner as part of an investigation. It may even relate to a breach that you didn't know about, like sending something to the wrong postal address, or fax number, or email address. Employees need to know that all complaints are to be taken seriously and to ask questions of the complainant. Each case may be unique, so it's hard to document in advance what these should be. Validate the identity of the complainant, which should be outlined in the privacy procedures. Make a record of the date received and the nature of the complaint. Acknowledge the complaint promptly by email or in writing. Conduct a fair and impartial investigation. Notify the complainant of the outcome of the investigation, steps taken, steps that will be taken, and options for recourse. A patient may make a complaint to the Office of the Information and Privacy Commissioner if they're not satisfied with the response they received to their complaint. The Commissioner has the authority to investigate and resolve privacy complaints. Change information handling policies and practices if necessary. Formally documenting the procedures for repeated complaints will make the process more efficient and support employee training. Links to these resources are in a PDF document on the Webinars page of the Privacy Toolkit. College Standards and Guidelines, Doctors of BC Privacy Toolkit and Webinar Notes, and Privacy Commissioner Guides, Tips, and Resources. Let us know if you have any questions about complying with PIPA.